For 150 years, Bollman employee owners have been making products that make people look and feel their very best. This incredible heritage has stood the test of time because of a never-say-die attitude of our passionate people and a willingness to adapt to the changing world. America has hit the road and taken to the skies. There have been 2 world wars and 28 presidents since we made our first hat, and we haven't stopped. Not everything's the same as it was 150 years ago. We've acquired the world's leading headwear brands and sourced the finest raw materials throughout the globe. And we've opened our first ever Bollman Hat Company store in Santa Monica, California. While some of our brands make product in other factories outside of the U.S., we continue to innovate felting and finishing techniques to create the world's greatest wool felt and straw hats that will accompany you on your life's journey. And now we are launching the first ever Bollman Hat Company Makers Collection. These hats are made in America's oldest hat factory with globally sourced materials. We will continue to grow and innovate and adapt to the changing world, but our caring people making phenomenal hats that make you look and feel your best, that will never change.